Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Woke up this morning to see I do have a update on the Tab S8 Ultra. You can see here it is Android One UI 4.1.1, Android 12, so it is Android 12L. You can also see it down here as well with the new taskbar that's here. So just wanted to share a few thoughts, letting you a few other things that I've seen that are new and things that I like on here. So far it's been great. There's not been any bugs, any glitches, no apps have been crashing, anything like that. So it's not a beta, so I would expect it to be a solid build, and that has been the experience so far. There are a few apps that I haven't quite updated to it yet, which were talked about. We're going to be more optimized for Android 12L, but hasn't materialized. But it's nothing I care about. It's TikTok. I think if anyone cares about TikTok on here, then you're in the wrong place. Use your phone for TikTok. Grow up. So other than the taskbar down here, one thing that is new is you can swipe from the corner and that'll bring whatever app you're on into a pop-up view, which is always quite handy. You can move that around, you can resize it. So Android 12L obviously is all about taking advantage of bigger screens, so that is just one way to do it. Another way is two-finger swipe from the side. Will bring up the split view. So you can do that as well. And again, you can kind of just pop them out. And you can just resize that as well there, nice and easy, as you always could. You'll notice that the taskbar has disappeared on the bottom. That's because I have hidden it. But if we swipe up a little bit, you can bring that back. That always tends to happen in split view. However, when we're in normal view, it is there, but if you do find that too distracting, you can tap and hold just next to it and it will disappear. And then again, you just tap and hold and it will come back as well. So there's three things really quick that are new. So you've got the multitasking from down here. There you go. You can do a third one. And so with that, if you swipe home, you will see, go to another app. And you'll see that your three apps together have been saved. It is quite small on here, but obviously that's because you can have a bigger row of apps. But you can jump back to the three apps together as easy as that. Really quick, really smooth as well. The other side of it is as well, you can only have a limited number of apps down here. So let's just come out of that and just open one singular app. There we go. So down here in the corner, you can see there's a little grid, a little square grid. You tap on that and you get all your apps on here. So for example, if we wanted to pull up Google Sheets next to Microsoft Office, you can do that from there. When you're in Microsoft Office as well, I do have the option to grab a document from there. You can kind of slide it across to the side. You can choose how you want to view that. So you can open it in Samsung Internet and that'll take you to Drive. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy the video, please do give me a thumbs up. Really appreciate it. Don't forget to comment down below as well. Let me know what your favorite Android 12L feature is. And I will see you guys on the next video.